Dominator 250. Put your variable on like you asked. On off switch. New input and output transformer. Electrolyte caps. New resistors. Rewound everything. Grounded. Got everything just like it's supposed to be. Trying to get it right for you. You had these adjustable tuners. I left them in there. They're fine. I put a little glue on them so they didn't go nowhere. Tried to get you all I could out of these Toshibas. Put your new key circuit in there. Bunch of work and time on this thing. Alright, we'll start out looking at straight through input. Straight through input tune. Whirl, whirl, 0. Turn it on, 1, 2, whirl, key 0. 5 on reverse, radio drive, whirl, little dozen. 501 slug, average power. Whirl, about 100 bird. 501 PP. Whirl, audio, whirl, about 260. Alright, we'll go over here. We're gonna bump it with 100. If you had a striker, radio does a little more. I'll say we're gonna put it to it. 501 slug, actually 90. Whirl, I put 90 watts right on the money into it. We're in that middle scale, whirl. Yeah, watch what happens. She'll go now. 501 peak. Whirl, donkeys, whirl, 500 corner. Over look at our average power, 1,000 watt driven, 1,000 watt slug. Whirl, so she's doing over 200 birds right there. Whirl, almost 300 birds. And her peak, 1,000 watt PEP driven, 90 watt PEP drive. Whirl, she's talking about 490 on that. Whirl, doggy, whirl, get on down. Well, there she is. A lot of hard work. I probably should just built you a new box. New transformers, new windings, new routes, retuned. Shall be good to go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Thanks for watching. Your friend 10018 Beavis. Catch you later.